time. Welcome back to the channel. I'm doing videos today since I got a little time and I'm able to. So first of all, I want to thank all my subscribers. I hope everybody's doing well today. I've picked up a few new ones, but so I appreciate all my subscribers, new, old, the guys who stuck with me forever. And yeah, it's good. It's nice. So yeah, keep hanging in there, guys. I'm trying my best to get some videos out. Yeah. So anyway, if you watch my other video, you know what's going on with my arm, my shoulder. 3 tears. Not fun. So I'm going to be limited for a while, I guess. Anyway, so this is my final for the box stock group build, hosted by Link over at Link Scale Models and by Shaggy over at Shaggy's Awesome Garage. 2 really cool guys, great builders. Appreciate both of you guys very much for doing this. As I said before on my other video, I was looking for a reason to build this car, and being box stock made it simpler. So I was able to do it and get it done. Had some issues. So a word of advice, and actually somebody else had a video that they said the same thing. When you're washing your parts, make sure you have some way of stopping that parts, any little parts, from going down the drain. On this kit, on this build, I had a part go down a drain, and I searched through my parts bin and I did not find a replacement part for it. So I'll leave a link in the description for Link and Shaggy's channels. Please go check them out. Give them a like and a subscribe if you haven't done so already. Check out their videos. And tell them Larry sent you. Excuse me. So, without further ado, here is my build. So this is some dust on it. This is the Revell 1999 Mustang Cobra hardtop. This kit was purchased at NNL North like last year. No, I didn't go last year. 2 years ago. So I've had this kit for a couple of years, and I finally got to build it. The paint on this one is one of Scale Finish's mystery colors, and it's red pearl, and it's a really nice color. This is an enamel. So because it's a glossy enamel, I went ahead and left it uncleared. So there's no clear coat on this. It's just polished and waxed. I didn't even wet sand it. And so I think it came up nice. So you see the mirror here? There's no mirror on this side because that is what I lost down the drain. Yeah, fun stuffs. So box stock build. I went ahead and painted the chassis same color, same as the body, so body color. I did have an issue with putting the chassis in the body, so I did break this piece here on the frame, but you know, it sits on the shelf. It looks okay. One other thing I found out, when I glued it to the firewall, and the super glue that I used hazed up my windshield. So basic build. Now the colors you see in here on the engine, the intake, transmission, the suspension, front and rear, and on the exhaust. That is all Gallery Kaleido Colorworks water-based metal colors. And I'll be honest with you, these colors are, or these paints are really smooth. They spray really nice. And I really like them a lot. So I got to get more of them. I only have 6 of the 12 colors of the metal, and most of those are more of the silver side. I didn't buy any of the gold based colors. So the car, I came out nice. It's a shelf sitter, like all my models, and I enjoyed this one a lot. So Link, Shaggy, thank you guys for doing this group build. If you don't know, if you haven't seen, which I'm sure you have, this group build was created because somebody mentioned on Facebook that if you don't do modifications to your kit, you're a assembler and not a builder. That's somebody's opinion, and it spawned this group build, which I'm fine with it because I got to build this model. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this one. Hope everybody has a great day. Take care, be kind, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.